Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I know exactly what you guys are thinking. Where the are the Halloween tutorials? And honestly, I don't know what happened to them either. I definitely kind of miscalculated the time that I was gonna have to film a Halloween tutorial this year. The month of October literally flew by so fast. As you guys know, October is my birthday month, and just so many other things that happened this month. I feel like it flew by extremely fast. And then on top of all of that, I'm just a queen procrastinator, and I realized that I literally have not posted any Halloween videos at all, and I wanted to make sure to at least get one up for you guys. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for you guys today. I'm really sorry that there's no makeup tutorials this year for Halloween. Next year, I definitely need to plan like way in advance. That way I'm ready and I can get some up for you guys. So I figured, since I'm just a last minute queen, what better video to do than a last minute Halloween DIY costume idea video? That's such a long title. But I feel like a lot of people definitely wait till the last minute to purchase their Halloween costume. I'm definitely one of those people. I did not buy one this year. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing anything, but if I am, then I'm definitely gonna be wearing one of these. And even on top of that, even if you do have time to buy one, like why not just create one yourself out of your own wardrobe and save money? The only stuff that I bought from this video are like the little headbands and hats and stuff. Other than that, everything I already had in my wardrobe, and I literally came up with this idea yesterday because today is October 28th and there's literally a few days till Halloween. So I just started looking through my closet and grabbing things that I thought could work, and honestly, I think I did a pretty good job. So if you're a procrastinator like me, then this video is definitely for you. I hope you guys do enjoy and find some costumes that you guys might want to wear this year, or something that you can make out of your wardrobe as well. And if you guys do like when I do videos like these, then definitely give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed already, then definitely hit the subscribe button down below, because I would love to have you guys here. But yeah, I think that's enough of my rambling. Without further ado, if you guys want to see these Halloween DIY costume ideas, then please keep watching.